Treasures,
Oh,
Glenn Glazer, with
thank you.
a lot of information to give us on the new information we just got in.
Yeah, so a few years ago, the National Hurricane Center created a new category, a potential tropical cyclone. This is a disturbance that has a very high chance for development, is very likely to develop, and this designation allows them to go ahead and start issuing a cone for that disturbance before it actually becomes a tropical cyclone. So in this case, we have 94L that continues to show some signs of development here very close to eastern Cuba, and therefore we now have a cone for this as it begins its track up to the north. It is expected to stay a potential tropical cyclone through today and become a depression tomorrow, and then a tropical storm by the time we get to Sunday, which would be Imelda. It continues to stay just to the east of Florida, but moving up through the Bahamas and then making its way up toward Georgia and the Carolinas. And this is a pretty thin track, which means that the computer models are in pretty good agreement with this, and the National Hurricane Center thinks so too. A Category 1 hurricane possible by Monday. And then here's the part that I was talking about last half hour. You see how this becomes very wide here at the end. There's the possibility that it stalls just offshore of the southeastern U.S., which would mean a huge rainmaker for this part of the country. If it just sits here and keeps on bringing rainfall in, that could be a huge issue for this part of the country. For us, the potential of us seeing some rainfall coming in on Sunday is still a possibility. We could see some showers from one of those outer bands coming in as we get to Sunday. Once we get to Monday and it's up to the north of us, it does look like drier air will start to move down into our area. All right, here's a quick look at Humberto, now a Category 3 storm, likely to become a Category 4 storm overnight tonight and into tomorrow. It stays a Cat 4 all the way through Monday, but eventually makes that big turn off to the northeast. It could come pretty close to Bermuda here. And the speed is very important from these two things, from 94L, which is going to become Imelda, and from Humberto, because if Imelda moves more slowly, then it might have more interaction with Humberto, which could weaken it pretty quickly. So that's something we're going to watch too. How fast will this move? Here's the latest when it comes to the American model. You can see both moving quickly, and there it is, possibly Imelda staying offshore of Florida. In the dark, that's dry air, but these light green areas are the potential for some rainfall coming in along at least the east coast of our area, and then it moves up to the north. Drier air swings in as we get to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and our weather improves, but the weather gets much worse up to our north here in the southeastern U.S. Here's a look at our forecast. We're going to go ahead with impact weather as we get into Sunday here. So for tomorrow, a 40% chance for rain. That's been on the books for a while. We've had that in the planner. High temperatures, low 90s, feeling hotter than that with the heat and humidity. Sunday, we're going to kind of go back and forth, probably between 40 and 50%. Chris and I are going to talk about that a little bit more coming up here as we look at some of the new models coming out. 30% chance for rain Monday. That's when that drier air starts to move back in, and then lots of sunshine by Tuesday and Wednesday. That's a look at your forecast.